Welcome back, everyone. I'll go and show you how you can actually make your iPhone flashlight even brighter than it normally is. Now, this process is very easy, doesn't take too much time, and really all you have to do is make your way over to your front screen for your iPhone. So you'll get into this panel. Then what you want to do is you want to get into the control center. So if you have a notched iPhone, you swipe down from the top right corner. If you have an iPhone with a home button, you swipe up from the bottom. So then you come into this panel. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure you have the flashlight toggle inside of your control center. If you don't, you can make your way over to your settings application, scroll down into UC control center, and you want to add the flashlight toggle. So you'll find the flashlight toggle here, click the plus button, and then you will have that flashlight toggle right here. Now when you click on that flashlight toggle, you will see that the flashlight will actually go ahead and turn on. Now you may be wondering how you can make it brighter. So what you want to do now is you want to hold down on that flashlight icon. What's going to happen, you're going to get into this panel. So again, you want to force touch into it, or you want to go ahead and just hold it down. Now when you do that, you can go ahead and turn on the flashlight like this, but you can also go ahead and step it up and make it even brighter than it normally is. So you can even see from here, it's off, it's on here, and compared to even in this daylight situation, from the bottom one to the top one, look how much of a difference there is. There's a massive difference. So that's pretty much how you can make your iPhone flashlight even brighter than it normally is. It's a very easy process. Again, add that flashlight toggle, hold it down here, and then go ahead and pull that up. And then you can go ahead and expand that and get pretty much a way brighter flashlight. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.